Hello guys, today we will start algebra. So first we have to define constants and variables. So we can say constants are something whose value will remain same no matter what we do. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we can say that 1 will be equal to 1 and 1 will not be equal to 2 no matter what we do. And now for variables, we can assign variables by some alphabets, English like ABC, or Greek alphabets like theta, alpha and beta. Actually, the values of variable can change and values of constant will never change. uh, like from the name we can understand that value of constants remain constant and value of variables can vary.